How can I disable Ctrl+Shift+W on Chrome for Windows 7? I just accidentally pressed Ctrl+Shift+W again and lost some work. I like using Ctrl+W for individual windows, but I never want to close everything. Is there a way to disable this on Chrome?
You can use Auto Hotkey to intercept the keyboard shortcut.
The answer by Abels doesn't work for newer versions of Auto Hotkey, AC. Here is how you can do it with newer AC versions. This also prevents Ctrl+Shift+Q from quitting all of Chrome.
Complete version of this script. Works on new AC versions. Works with any input language, assigned to key code, not key as letter. Only one running instance, single instance force. Doesn't recording history of pressed keys, key history 0. Prevents from Ctrl+Shift+W and Ctrl+Shift+Q in Chrome.
Install the Chrome extension Disable Keyboard Shortcuts by Benjamin Barenblatt. You may also view the source code, if you wish. Visit the URL, chrome://extensions/shortcuts. If you're on Windows, assign Ctrl+Shift+W to do nothing in Chrome. If you're on Mac OS, assign CMD+Shift+W instead.
Ctrl+Shift+W